Other birds are starting to talk. The little Rennie. All kinds of birds in there. There's little wrens jumping all. They always do this to me. There were little wrens jumping all over the branches, but as soon as I get the camera out, they all fly away. They always do that to me. There's the cute little wren. They're like the size of your palm. They're tiny. They're so cute. Where'd you go? There was one jumping on that big branch. Of course, as soon as I get the camera out, it goes away. You're all camera shy. You don't have the right to film me, and I didn't give you permission to film me. Chirp, chirp. Jeez. Even the bird. Well, I wouldn't want anyone pointing a camera at me. No, that's not okay. To just go out in public and point a camera at people. You don't do that. Hello, dude. Some people think I'm perfect, and they pull that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I get the camera out, and then everybody flies away. Y'all are fooling with me. Oh, there they are. There's one. No, that's not a wren. That's something else. Can't see it. You see where the leaves are moving? That's where it is. It blends with the canopy. Come out! What you got to say? Birdie! Where are the grackles? The grackles were out yesterday. Where'd they go? They're not around today.